Let's explore how containers find each other using names within custom networks. This is called container name resolution. Containers connected to the default bridge network are unable to communicate with each other using container names. For example, if we create a web container using Jinx and a client container using Alpine. Inside the client container, if we try to ping the web container using its name, the name resolution will fail with a bad address error. Containers on custom networks can communicate using container names, thanks to a built-in domain name system server. To demonstrate, first, create a custom network named Mintwork. Next, run a web container named Web and a client container named Client, both connected to Mintwork. Now, from inside the client container, pinging web will work successfully. You will see something like ping web followed by an IP address and some data bytes. Docker provides a built-in domain name system server at 127.0.0.11 for custom networks. To check the domain name system configuration inside a container, use the command cat/etc/resolve.conf. The output shows that the name server is set to 127.0.0.11. This domain name system server automatically resolves container names to their respective Internet Protocol addresses. The domain name system server maintains a dynamic mapping of container names to Internet Protocol addresses. To check name resolution in action, you can use the command nslookup-web. The domain name system response shows the server Internet Protocol address as 127.0.0.11. It also shows that the name web resolves to a specific Internet Protocol address, in this case 172.18.0.2. This demonstrates how the container name web is mapped to the Internet Protocol address 172.18.0.2. Containers can have multiple names using network aliases, providing flexible naming options. To create a container with aliases, use the docker run command with the network alias option multiple times. For example, you can assign the aliases web server and API to the web container. All these names, web, web server, and API, will resolve to the same container, so ping web server, and ping API will all work. Containers on different networks cannot resolve each other's names by default. To illustrate this, let's create two networks, front-end and back-end. Then, run a web container on the front-end network and a database container on the back-end network. From inside the web container, trying to ping database will fail, as it cannot resolve the name database, because they are on different networks. Here are the key takeaways. Custom networks enable name resolution between containers. Docker provides a built-in domain name system server at 127.0.0.11 for these networks. You can use aliases to assign multiple names to a container. In summary, container name resolution makes inter-container communication seamless and flexible. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.